Are you looking for natural remedies to strengthen your nails? Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into effective, all-natural tips for achieving strong and healthy nails. Today, we'll explore some powerful home treatments that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Stay tuned to learn how you can naturally boost your nail health. First up, olive oil. This simple kitchen staple is a powerhouse for nail health. Soaking your nails in warm olive oil for about 10 to 15 minutes daily can work wonders. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E, which deeply penetrates the nail bed, moisturizing and strengthening your nails from within. For best results, warm a small bowl of olive oil, soak your nails, and then massage the oil into your cuticles. Do this regularly, and you'll start seeing stronger, shinier nails in no time. Next, let's talk about lemon juice and baking soda. This dynamic duo is excellent for brightening your nails and removing stains, while also strengthening them. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, making your nails more resilient. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, cleaning and whitening your nails. To create the scrub, mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Apply the paste to your nails, gently scrub for a few minutes, and rinse with warm water. Follow up with a moisturizer to keep your nails hydrated. Coconut oil isn't just for cooking, it's an amazing overnight treatment for your nails. Rich in essential fatty acids, coconut oil provides deep hydration and strengthens your nails, preventing them from becoming brittle. Applying coconut oil before bed allows it to work its magic while you sleep, giving your nails a nourishing boost. To do this, simply warm a small amount of coconut oil, massage it into your nails and cuticles, and put on a pair of cotton gloves to lock in the moisture. In the morning, your nails will feel noticeably stronger and smoother. Garlic might not sound glamorous, but it's a secret weapon for stronger nails. Garlic contains selenium, a mineral that promotes nail growth and strength. Rubbing a piece of raw garlic directly on your nails or soaking your nails in garlic-infused oil can significantly strengthen them over time. To use this remedy, crush a garlic clove, let it sit for a few minutes to release its compounds, and then rub it onto your nails. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing it off. The results might surprise you. Finally, let's explore horsetail tea, a natural remedy that dates back centuries. Horsetail is rich in silica, a mineral that contributes to the strength and resilience of nails. Soaking your nails in horsetail tea can help fortify them and promote healthy growth. To prepare, steep horsetail herb in boiling water for 10 minutes, let it cool, and then soak your nails for about 20 minutes. This treatment, done once or twice a week, can make a big difference in the health of your nails. Before we wrap up, if you're looking for an extra boost to your nail health, check out the PRONAIL COMPLEX supplement. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals that work from within to strengthen your nails. You can find more details in the first comment below. And there you have it. Simple, natural remedies to help you achieve stronger, healthier nails. Incorporate these tips into your routine, and don't forget to check out the PRONAIL Complex if you're looking for that extra edge in nail care. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more nail care tips and tricks. Leave a comment below with your favorite natural nail remedy or any questions you have. We'd love to hear from you.